Welcome back. You're now looking at Dropbox.com. And Dropbox is a paid application that will allow you to upload files to deliver to your customer from any platform. If you'd rather not use a paid application in order to start delivering files, you can use a platform like Google Drive. What's important to note even about some of the paid applications is that there is a bandwidth limit. So if you have customers that will be downloading heavy files on a specific day, you can run out of bandwidth and your account will be throttled for that day. If you think there's going to be heavy download usage, you may want to use Amazon S3 in order to deliver the download links to your customer. Now, once again, it's not going to be as straightforward in order to create the downloadable link, but you will never run into bandwidth problems as you were billed for the bandwidth that you use at the end of the period. Now again, when you use a course platform like Thinkific or Teachable or one like it, you are paying for the ability for your customer to be able to download files without a specific bandwidth limit. And so when you are evaluating the fee and the convenience, this is what you will be evaluating. And so basically, when you are serving your file, you will need to be able to go to the download host. You will need to be able to go to it in order to create a specific download link. When you create this link, you will place it inside of the delivery area for your customer to click on in order to get access to the zip file or PDF that you are selling them. When you are using a site like Dropbox, it's a good idea to make sure that when you are appending the end of the link, you append it with the number 1 instead of the number 0, because this will mean then that when the customer clicks on the link, it will turn into a download link for them to access it from their personal computer or their mobile device. And if we click on this link, what you're going to notice is that it will turn into a download link. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.